Hi, this is question number 3 of exercise 1.2 class 12 mathematics chapter 1st relation and function. Let's see third question here. Prove that greatest integer function f such that r tends to r given by fx equals to x greatest integer is neither 1 nor 1 whether this x denoted the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Before go ahead, let's see integer function here. For example, if we put 1 place of x, we will get 1. If we take 1.5, then we get 1 as well. If we take 3.7, so we get 3. And if we put 4.3, then we will get 4. Isn't it? For real numbers. Isn't it? Now we draw a line here. If we put 0, 1 and 2, so first we will show 1.5 number line. So 1.5 here between the 1 and 2, so the value is left, nearest left value, isn't it? So it is a 1.5 and the value of 1.5 is 1, and similarly the value of 4.3.7 3, 4.3 value 4. So the all positive value, just like 5.8, so we will get 5 here. We will get 5 here, isn't it? So this is the greatest integer function. And for beware here, if we put -2, so we will get -2. If we put -1.6, then we will get -2. If we put here -2.1, so we will get -3, isn't it? Let's show negative integer on number line. Here we have 0, -1, -2. So 1.6 we can write here negative 1.6. So we'll also go in left, nearest left point. So we will get 1.6, we will get negative 2. If we put here negative 1.5, -2, -3, and 1.5 is here, negative 2.5, so we will get 3. So negative 2.1, we will get negative 3. So all the condition as positive or negative, we will go nearest left side. Let's see more about greatest integer function by these pictures. Here you can see graph as well as definition. Now move to question. After understanding greatest integer function, so here first we have f such that r tends to r. Domain is real and codomain also real here. So first we will see injectivity or 1 1. For this, let x1 equals to 2.5 and x2 equals to 2. B 2 elements on R. So if we put here fx1 negate 2.5, so we will get 2 here. If we put x2 here, then we have to put 2, so then we will get 2. So we can say therefore function are equal, the value of function are equal, but for elements are not equal. So we can say implies f greatest integer function is not 1 1. Now see onto, it is onto or not. Let y equals to 2.45 belongs to real as a codomain, be any element in, therefore fx2 equals to 2.5, and we can write a greatest integer function 2.5. So you can see the value can never be 2.5 of any greatest integer function. So which is not possible, we can say which is not possible as is always an integer. Isn't it? Therefore fx greatest integer is not onto. Now move to next question. Question number 4 here. Show that the modulus function f such that r tends to r given by f such that fx equals to modulus x is neither 1 1 nor onto, whether x is a positive or 0 and is a minus negative if x is a negative. So we know very well about modulus function. So let's see. First we have f such that r tends to r, and function we have here fx equals to modulus x. For 1 1, let x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1. B two real number. Isn't it? So f1 fx1 equals to fx2 बराबर f1 we put the value f1 here, the value f1 is 1, so we will get 1. If we put the value of x2 with value of x2 is -1, so we will get -1 equals to 1. So we can say therefore the value of function is equal, but elements does not equal. In this condition we can say f is not 1 1. Now for 1 2, it is onto or not. Let's see. We can take here, let y equals to -1 belongs to real number as a codomain, and if we put the then y equals to fx, so we can write -1 equals to mod x, which is not possible. We can say which is not possible. Why? Because the value of modulus can never be negative. We know very well about that. Is always positive. Implies f is not onto. Hence we can write here f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Isn't it? Now move to next question. 5 question here. Show that the signum function f such that r tends to r given by fx 1 0 1 if x greater than 0. So the value of fx is 1. If x equals to 0, the value of fx is 0. If x less than 0, the value of fx is -1. So we need to show that here neither 1 1 nor 1 2. We have signum function here. Let's see how we can solve it. Let x1 belongs to 1 and x2 equals to 3 be two real numbers we take. Isn't it? X equals to 1 and x equals to 3. We have two real number here. If we put x1, so we need to put here 1, then we get the value 1. If we put x2 and the value of x2 is 3, so we will get 1, because the value of greater than 0 must be 1. It is given here, isn't it? So you can see here function are equal but elements not. Function the value of function are equal but elements not equal. So therefore we can write here the value of function are equal for x1 does not equals to x2. So we can say f is not 1 1, isn't it? Now let's check on 2 also. For on 2 also let y equals to 2 belongs to real number. So we will get fx equals to 2. But range we have here, but range of x of f equals to -1 0 1. So there is no value of 2 here, isn't it? So we can say clearly there is no value of x for which fx equals to 2, isn't it? Now let's see this question by ray diagram. We have domain as a real number and codomain also a real number, but we have a range 1 0 -1, isn't it? And put in domain 1 2 3, -1 -2 -3. So function is here under f. 1 has got 1, 2 3 3 1 also got 1, because the value of fx if x greater than 0, f greater than 0 is 1, isn't it? And the value of x less than 0 is -1, and the value of 0 is 0. So you can see here 3 element has got 1 image, and 3 and more element in domain has got only 1 image in codomain. So many one function, isn't it? And now we are talking about onto. So here 3 2 3 4 and more number are remaining, because the range is 1 and 0 and -1, but codomain is real number. So lot of element in codomain. So what about 2 3 4? There is no pre-image in domain, so these are orphan element. So we can say it is not onto. So we can say function f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Hope you understood each and everything. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.